Silence is a key ingredient for an immersive gaming experience. CPU coolers are by far the biggest contributors to noise output, especially by air coolers. A quiet PC case can help dampen loud coolers so that you don't annoy everyone in the house every time you do something processor intensive on your PC. What's the best quiet PC case for you? In this video, I have reviewed several cases that I had the opportunity to test out personally. Hopefully this provides some clarity as to what PC case is right for you. The first one is Corsair Carbide Series 100R, a more mature, understated design that fits well into any setup. Overall PC noise is reduced, resulting in a quieter rig. Fans can power on overdrive when performance requires it. Sleek fans give builders a head start on cooling their system. USB 3.0 compatible for modern connectivity, and the case material is steel. Easy installation and upgradability. The tool-free side door makes access to the case's interior breeze. The second one is Fractal Design Define R5. Optimally designed for silent computing with high-density noise-reducing material throughout the case for maximum sound absorption. Extensive water cooling support for a case of the size, housing radiators up to 420mm in the top and 360mm in the front. Newly configured front door with dual side mounting to better fit your workspace. Highlighting two dedicated SSD mounts cleanly placed behind the motherboard tray that feature innovative new brackets delivering a tool-free installation and removal. Sturdy metal HDD trays provide excellent dampening features for the hard drives while providing better airflow through the cage with an updated, more open design. The third one is Pure Base 600. Highly versatile with repositionable HDD slots and removable ODD cage. Water cooling ready for radiators up to 360mm on front, top and rear. Adjustable top cover vent with enhanced cooling options and mounting location for radiator. True pre-installed Be Quiet. Pure Wings 2 fans assure whisper quiet operation. Fully windowed side panel from tempered glass. The fourth one is Nanoxia Deep Silence 3. Beginner friendly mid-tower case that is easy to build in without specific room for future upgrades. Silent PC case with thicker than normal metalwork, dense sound dampening materials, rubber vibration isolators. Space for full-size GPU is 5 HDD and 3 SSD. Fits full-length power supply, and the graphics card is 345mm and the CPU cooler is 165mm. Easily tune airflow versus noise level with included 6x3-pin fan controller and 3 high-quality rifle bearing fans. The last but not the least, Thermaltake Suppressor F31 supports mini ITX, micro ATX, ATX motherboard. 4mm thick tempered glass delivers durability, ensuring ultimate internal component visibility. 144mm ring blue rear fan and 140mm black front fan are pre-installed. Vertical GPU mounting prevent graphic card from sagging and reduced weight on motherboard. PCIe riser cable is not included. Support AIO liquid cooler up to 360mm at the front or top.